What is up, guys? It's your boy Falcon back again, and today we are working on a 2002 Acura MDX, and I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance required light, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so pretty simple. We have a maintenance required light on this Acura MDX, which turns on every 7,500 miles. It's pretty simple. All you have to do is you have a select and a reset button on your right hand side of the dash. You're gonna hold those two buttons together down while the car is off. While you're holding those two buttons, you're gonna turn the ignition to the on position. Wait like 10 seconds until that light turns off. Once it turns off, it's pretty much reset. And then the way to test it, you just turn it back off and turn it back on, and it should not come on anymore. So now let's do this procedure. You can barely see it. You can't really read what it says, but that's the maintenance required light right there. And those two buttons are the ones we're gonna hold down. So let me just set the camera where you guys can see it now. All right, so we're gonna hold these two buttons down together at the same time, and we turn on the key for 10 seconds. The light already turned off, so let me show you guys. As you can see, the light, it was right there under the battery light. It is off now. So now I'm going to turn it back off. I'm going to turn on the car again. And there it goes. Light is off. That is it. Pretty simple procedure, but sometimes it's a little bit hard to do, or since it doesn't have where you can just select that. But there it goes. It is very simple. It takes you less than a minute to reset it. Alright guys, so I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell for me, share the channel. I will catch you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching, and you guys have yourselves a great day.